Feeling like your bank account is allergic to money? Been there. When you're broke, budgeting can feel impossible. But that's exactly when it matters most. In this video, I'm going to show you how to budget when you're broke. And yes, it actually works. First, shift your mindset. Being broke isn't a failure, it's a phase. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control, taking back your power, even if it feels like you don't have much to work with. Start with the basics. Write down everything. How much money is coming in? Any income at all. Every bill, every subscription, every coffee. You can't fix what you don't know. When cash is tight, focus on the essentials. What personal finance experts call the four walls. Food, shelter, utilities, transportation. Everything else? Cut or pause it for now. Try zero-based budgeting. That means every dollar you get has a job. Rent, food, gas, even $5 toward savings. Your income minus expenses should equal zero. Every dollar counts. Celebrate small wins. Paid your internet bill on time? That's a win. Cooked 3 meals instead of ordering out? That's more money in your pocket. If budgeting feels impossible even after cutting expenses, it might be time to boost your income. That could mean selling stuff, picking up a side hustle, or freelancing online. The goal isn't to hustle forever, it's to buy yourself breathing room. Budgeting when you're broke takes guts, but it's the first step to never being broke again. Want more tips on saving, side hustles, and investing for beginners? Hit subscribe and start stacking smarter.